Okay, so we finally got all the insulation in there. I got all the drywall placed and where all those big gaps were because I used the existing drywall. I went ahead and foamed it up. So give this about a day and tomorrow we'll cut that foam off and we can start mudding. I've got the drywall and the door frame. I've got the corner bead. Some corner bead over here. The existing corner bead I'm going to have to rip off and do again. This isn't the way you do this. It's like everything else, a mess. So I'll be taking that off and getting rid of some of this drywall mud. It's not supposed to be a 1/4 inch. But anyway, that's what we've got done the last few days. Frame this out as soon as I get my electrical wire. It's got to go up inside of the framing here, up in the ceiling. So I'm waiting to get that wire back before we go any further. So this is the last of the big stuff, and next is the stairs, and then we're getting there. See you.